Once upon a time, in a quiet town where stars twinkled extra bright, lived a curious little girl named Aria. Every night, she would gaze out her window, wondering what lay beyond the moon and clouds. One night, just as the clock struck 8, a gentle choo-choo echoed through the sky. Aria rubbed her eyes and blinked in amazement. A sparkling silver train was gliding across the stars, its windows glowing with soft golden light. Suddenly, a tiny envelope floated through her window. It read, "All aboard the Moonlight Express, for dreamers only." With her favorite stuffed bunny in her arms, Aria tiptoed outside. To her amazement, a ladder of stardust hung down from the sky. She climbed it bravely, step by twinkling step, until she reached the train. Inside, everything shimmered. The seats were clouds, the lights were fireflies, and the passengers were children from around the world, each holding a dream. "Welcome aboard," said a kind old conductor with a hat full of stars. Next stop, the candy cloud fields. The train whooshed forward, painting silver trails across the night. They passed gigantic marshmallow mountains, floating jellybean islands, and even waved at a sleepy moon dragon snoring gently on a comet. At every stop, Aria learned something new. She helped a nervous star find its sparkle again, shared her blanket with a shy penguin from the North Star, and sang a lullaby with glowing owls in the dreaming tree. As the journey came to an end, the conductor smiled and said, "Remember, Aria, this train runs every night, but only for those with wonder in their hearts." With a blink, she was back in her cozy bed, her bunny still tucked in her arms. Outside, the moon winked, and in the distance, she heard a soft choo-choo. And from that night on, whenever Aria closed her eyes, she knew adventures were just a dream away. The end.